I don't know how this is going to be in the wind. So, well, not bad. Holding in the wind fairly well. And that's not even on GPS hold. That's just the way it is in what they call angle mode. This is doing okay in the wind. It's pretty strong wind, supposedly, for these things.
Now, are you working the controller, or is it controlling itself?
No, I'm not touching it at all.
You're not touching
right
it?
now.
You're not touching it?
I was a moment ago, but right now it's holding its own, and it's not even in GPS hold. This is just the way the thing holds.
That's seriously impressive.
Now, this thing has something called smart mode, which is, I consider it dumb mode.
Yeah.
But then, you know, it's got all these geo fences and perimeters, like it won't get closer than like 30 feet to you or some kind of crazy stuff. I don't know. I've only tried it once and I didn't like it because it started to move away from me and I couldn't call it back, so I instantly switched it off. So I like to fly it in, you know, control mode. This also has, look on the right side here of the transmitter.
Yeah.
You see the rabbit and the tortoise?
Yes.
So you can adjust how much control you want this thing to have, and yeah, it's doing a fine job holding these gusts. I'm impressed.
It's really amazing.
So if you're a beginner with these things, you put it on tortoise mode,
right?
And it moves very slow and gentle. Gives you lots of time to think and react.
I love that.
Yeah.
That's my mode.
Yeah, look at that. That's pretty cool.
Are you doing that?
Well, yeah, I went up.
Okay.
Yeah.
You want to see if it'll stay higher?
Yeah, I just want to see, because I mean, you know, the wind on the ground is always different than the wind.
Sure.
As I'm coming down, is always different than the wind once you get up a little bit.
Isn't it worse on the ground?
What?
Isn't it worse because they bounce?
No.
You get it both ways?
No. Oh, yeah, that's called, what is that called? A ground effect of the rotors or something?
Yeah.
That's not too bad. Whoa! But the wind's always higher when you get up.
Yeah,
so if you think it's gentle where you're at and then you go up 100 feet, you might be surprised and it can get blown away, you know?
Yeah.
Oh.
Does it have auto land?
Yes, it has all that. Oh, yeah. Now you see how slow that was?
When you landed, will you land it with auto land?
No.
No?
Never.
Why?
Because that's bullshit. I like to have control.
I know, I just want to see it do it by itself.
No.
I like the machine doing it by itself.
No. I'm not into that auto stuff. You know, I've read that some people that have like Phantoms and things, they just shut their transmitter off and let it land.
That's what I do.
Oh, no way!
I've done it.
Oh God, I can't believe that. That would freak me out.
I did. I finally did it.
Oh no, I couldn't stand that.
I want to turn mine off and go to the bathroom and have somebody videotape me go to the bathroom while the thing's still flying by itself and come back out and land. No, I finally did it. Yeah.
Shut the motors off. Okay.